Have you ever wondered why one spice costs more than pure gold? What if I told you that growing just 1 pound of this mysterious flower could earn you $5,000? Welcome to the world of saffron, also known as red gold. Today, we're going to break down the exact business model of saffron farming in the USA. Is it actually profitable, or is it just a myth?
First, let's understand the math. Saffron currently sells for anywhere between $3,000 to $5,000 per pound. This is because it cannot be harvested by machines. The spice comes from the red stigma of the Crocus sativus flower. Each flower produces only 3 tiny red threads, meaning it takes roughly 75,000 flowers to make just 1 pound of dried saffron. This extreme labor intensity makes it the most expensive agricultural product in the world. You might think saffron only grows in the Middle East, but it actually thrives in regions with hot, dry summers and cold winters. If you live in states like California, Pennsylvania, Vermont, or Washington, your climate is perfect for this luxury crop. In fact, American-grown saffron is currently in high demand because top-tier restaurants and chefs prefer locally grown, premium organic spices over imported ones. Starting a saffron business requires low land space but high initial investment in corms or bulbs. Buy your corms in late summer and plant them in well-drained soil. Raised beds are highly recommended to prevent rot. They require very little water and no fertilizer. In late October, the purple flowers bloom overnight. You must hand-pick them early in the morning, gently pull out the 3 red threads, and let them dry. Is it profitable? Underground, each corm multiplies every year. By year 4, a small quarter-acre plot can yield up to 4 pounds of premium saffron worth $20,000. However, be aware of 3 major risks: the massive labor required for the 2-week harvest, weeds that steal nutrients from the short plants, and rodents like mice that love to eat the underground corms during winter. So, is saffron farming profitable in the USA? Absolutely, yes. If you have a small plot of land, patience for the 3-year multiplication cycle, and don't mind a few weeks of intensive hand harvesting, growing red gold is one of the highest-paying niche farming businesses in the world. If you want to sell to high-end restaurants, start building relationships now. Locally grown saffron is a marketing dream. If you found this business breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Business Ideas English for more highly profitable agricultural secrets. Let me know in the comments, would you have the patience to pick 75,000 flowers? See you in the next video.